lovely Alexa.
Hi guys, today, what are we going to be doing, Alexa?
Making smoothies. Yummy in my tummy.
This is my cup.
This is my cup. So let me tell you a story. My dad drinks out of this cup. So we have.
Favorite.
And then I'm going to drink out of my water bottle.
What do they have?
Unicorn, stars, and rainbows.
That's a fat unicorn. Why is it fat?
I don't
You're going
know.
to be doing smoothies.
I don't know.
We're going to try to get the unicorn a little bit skinnier, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're either going to choose organic spring mix or baby spinach.
Oh, baby spinach.
Which one do you want, Alexa?
I want baby spinach.
You want baby spinach? And we're going to do a handful.
Yeah.
Handful.
Yes.
And I want organic spring
What's
mix.
it?
Can you see how much?
Yeah.
Yep. This is our
I never
spring mix.
tasted it.
And
Can I have one?
organic spring mix. I'm going to go wash them. I'll be right back. The spring mix is clean.
And
I like to wash them.
and my baby spinach off too.
I like to wash them once I use it. Then, what do you want to use next, Alexa?
I really like blueberries. So
Blueberries. Nice.
Can I put
Yes. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Let me open this.
Yeah.
First.
Next. Oh. Don't you think it's too healthy?
No, it's actually very sticky. Open it.
It seems very healthy.
Ready? Look, let me show them how many blueberries.
There's like 100 in
Okay,
there.
we're gonna put them to the side because they're not washed. Okay, we're gonna go wash them right now. Do a handful.
I did with
How many you want? Okay, as many as you want. Okay, got that one. I got my cutting board over here.
I have so much blueberries, it's gonna be extra.
Okay, I'm gonna choose a little. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17. Okay, the next one, we're gonna be able to put it. This is my favorite of all of them. What is this, Alexa?
Banana.
Banana. You want the one that is darker, huh? No?
No.
I thought you liked that one. How much banana you want? You want a full banana or you want half banana?
Half banana.
Half banana, so we're gonna cut it. And
Chop that in half.
put it. And I'm gonna use
Where's the banana?
half banana.
Do I put it in it?
Yes, you want? Yes.
We don't eat those. They're not edible.
And then my favorite too. I have a lot of favorites.
And me too.
Do you want pear, apple, or strawberries?
I feel like it's more good. I'm gonna go strawberries.
Strawberries.
It looks very juicy.
Whoa.
They
Strawberries you got.
Whoa.
How many strawberries do you think there's in here?
50, 90?
50, 90? Is that a different number?
Yeah.
And then we get our strawberries. We try to get the ones that are darker so they don't.
1,
Oh,
2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna try cutting them. I know.
Here, and we're gonna put them to the side because we're gonna go wash them.
Yeah.
That's what-
You know, these are not washed yet, but they feel really wet.
It's raining outside.
Yeah.
Daddy, know what?
Yeah.
Let's buy this stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, 4.
Here, and then I'm gonna put 1 egg.
I don't want to put 1 egg.
Why not?
Because.
You want to try it?
No.
Let's try it.
I don't want to. Maybe a little bit.
Lick it.
No.
Lick it.
No.
Just kidding. Okay. And then, which one do you want? Do you want a pear or an apple?
I think go with pear.
A pear?
Yeah, they're my favorite fruits in the
Okay,
world.
let's try a piece, okay? Just like this. Grab it. Daddy, okay, I'm gonna go wash the fruit.
Yay.
And we're almost ready to do our smoothie.
Yay. I'm so excited.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Everything is washed now. Now we're gonna add our stuff. Our strawberries. Scoop it.
Yeah.
Blueberries. I want you like it. Like it? Like blueberries? You know you like blueberries. And then for Daddy, the final product.
Can you come here, please?
I'm not gonna choose pineapple. Yes, of course. You want to add more spinach? So I usually use this organic protein for the gym, but today I bought a different one. I'm gonna try it for the first time. I'll let you guys know the results. It's called Orgain. It's a collagen peptides. The first time I'm gonna use it, we'll see.
I think we have it all the same thing, but not the same stuff.
Yes, different portions. Bigger. And this will be the first time. I'm gonna try this.
It's hard to open.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
And then, do you want to add the scoop?
Sure.
Just to mine, okay?
So powdery.
Very, very careful. Put it in there. Whoa. Just one scoop.
That's very powdery.
It says it has iron. Okay, so now, are you going to want ice on your smoothie or no ice? Yes?
Yes.
Ice? Oh, here we go. In there.
I can't have protein because I'm still little.
Yes, you take your chicken. Chicken, I'm gonna go add water now.
Yeah.
Let's go add water.
I eat my protein, but it's not that kind of protein.
Now,
We're gonna put some ice.
ice.
I think I'm gonna want one.
One.
That's better.
One, I'll take one. Here, I put water. We put water on our smoothie, but you could either choose milk, almond milk, and this is how it looks. This is how Daddy's look.
This is how mine looks.
Oh, my sister. You could add up more stuff,
Yeah.
but this is how we like it. Now it's time for the
Blending.
Nutri-Bullet. Nutri-Bullet time. We need to add the. I'm gonna use this. Put it in here.
There we go. It's not good. And this goes when you hold it. It's the same thing as this way.
Good. You want to help me?
Yes.
I'll put it. You gotta put it on the little things. But you gotta do a lip, yeah, like that, and then you gotta pressure and twist. Pressure and twist.
Looks
I
good.
like to do it twice.
Looks good.
We're gonna try it at the same time, okay?
And then I'm gonna put it in here.
Yeah. I'm like, mine's gonna go.
Yeah, please. Okay. So hard. I think I have to add the ice later. Oh my goodness. This is pink and mine is pink and yours is no, yours is
Whoa.
oh. Wow. Wow.
Now, we're gonna try our smoothies.
Take care of this.
You like yours? I like mine because it's more, has more stuff. This is more water. Wow, you're strong.
Yeah.
Can I make it? That extra.
Now we're
Try it.
yes.
Come out. Yeah? You want to show the camera?
And that's weird that these cups are shorter than the
Yes. So this is how we make our smoothies. This is a smoothie we had at the hike, right? Remember? Don't forget to check our hiking video. And you like the smoothie, huh? Let me see your guns.
Guns?
Guns.
Oh!
Guns.
Oh!
Oh, that smoothie is worthy. This is the smoothie we took to the hike. And this is it for this video. We hope you guys like this video.
I hope you don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe right here. And comment below what kind of smoothies you guys like.
And what kind of ingredients you like to add.
What else do you like to add next time?
I like to add apples, I like to add blueberries, I like to add apples, I like to add banana, I like to add strawberry banana. And I like to and I like to try
Pineapple. We're gonna try pineapple next.
time.
Well, I hope you guys like this video, okay? Bye.
Bye.